how to make my current favorite anti-aging smoothie. This smoothie is made with 2 ingredients. It's made with mango and coconut. It's full of antioxidants. With the mango, you get your vitamin C and beta carotene. And I'm going to use my Vitamix. So I'm going to put 1 whole mango in there because I want it to be extra sweet. And then I have a fresh young coconut that I've already opened. And I'm going to just put the coconut water into the Vitamix. And then I'm going to add the coconut meat. Now this, I went ahead and I took this out of the actual coconut because I like it fresh. This one is going to leave you feeling your absolute best. It is so good for your skin. And I like it on the thicker side. And there you go. It's a delicious and satisfying vegan smoothie. I recommend it in the morning. Anytime you can get it in your diet, it's an absolute win.